Distinguished viewers, this is Trending Tech. Welcome to this video. We are glad to be giving you all these updates so that if you want to construct your railings, you will be making a mistake of giving your job to quack. Do you know, I used to tell you that if you want to build any edifice, make sure you build a home. Don't just build a house. A house is a place that you can give out, you can sell out, you can rent out. But a home is a place that you want to lie your head and that of your families. That, okay, well, this is the place that we want to be enjoying ourselves. This is the place that we want to be having fun. Can you just have a look? This is one of our recent jobs in Magboro. Have a good look at this. Wow, this is amazing. Ooh, see this one. Look at it. Have a look at it. This is stainless railings. We made this. Don't mind all those total that you are looking at it over there. It's because we have not cleaned it. They were doing it while we were doing it when they installed the POP. So, but that doesn't mean as a stainless, immediately you apply water, you are going to clean it out and everything will be shiny and sparkling. Please don't apply chemical so that it's not that it's going to spoil it, but you know, chemical may change the outlook. So just have a look at it. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. This is one of our engineers at the site. Have a look at this.